Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here I have another sneaker unboxing. So this one I got it on Boxing Day if I remember correctly. So this is not a new retro. They came out early 2017. It got sold out, and then recently on Boxing Day Nike decided to do a restock, but not everywhere has it. Like in my local Foot Locker, they only had the women's sizes. If you were looking for men's size, you have to go to Nike.ca. So here you can see it. It's a Nike Air Max 97 OG colorway. So this one is the Silver Bullet. They call it a Silver Bullet because the inspiration of the design came from a Japanese Silver Bullet train. So that's why it's called Silver Bullet. So let me open this box up so they can see the sneaker itself. I'm not sure if there's any difference between the restock versus the original retro we got earlier this year. I personally think that it should be the same thing, but if there's a difference that I'm not aware of, please do let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so now let's take a look at the sneaker. You can see that it's primary in silver and white, and look at that air, massive. From the heel to the toe, we have a full-length air unit, and look at the toe area. It's really sharp, really pointy, just because of the inspiration of the Silver Bullet. And on the middle side, it's the same thing. You have a red swoosh on both sides with a massive air unit. And look at the back, look at the pull tab here. It says Air Max with some sparkly silver. It's very sharp. You can see it from far away. Now let me show you the insole here. Oh, you have a little label covering, but it's a silver color swoosh that's printed on the heel area. And the size tag here, it's the same as usual Nike tags. It looks almost like you have two labels, like the size label on top of another label. And again, this one's a US size 9. And now let's take a look at the shoelaces. So this one, they use the rope laces just like the OG, and the tips is just very regular, nothing special on it, no printing at all. Now let's take a look at the sole of this one. So there's nothing really special except look at this little thing here. It's spongy. At first I thought it's part of the air unit, but I don't think so, because if it pops there, then your air unit's finished. So I guess just a little decoration there. And one thing I haven't pointed out is, you see there's 3 lines right here around the shoe, and these are made out of 3M material. So if you walk around at night and that it has reflection on it, or there's a flash, those 3 lines are gonna pop. And that's about it for this timeless Air Max 97. Alright guys, thank you very much again for watching the video. If you like it, please do give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please press on the subscribe button. I have other streetwear and also sneaker unboxing coming up soon, so please stay tuned. And once again, thanks for your support and take care. Bye bye.